Hello, in this video we will learn how to add Sparkline to your Excel database. Suppose I have this small database where I have a sales value, export sale and the service charge, and these are my monthly sales figure in crores. And if I want to see how these figures are going month to month, I can add a little chart within a cell. This is called Sparkline. So these are not the chart, this is the graph within the cell. So if any figure if changed here, if it's changed to 70, I will able to know that now this sale has increased and it's now. So now learn how to do that. Just before that, I just remove that sparkline. Now I want the sparkline here. So I will just select the cell where I want the sparkline. I go to the insert tab. Here there is an option called lines. So when I click on this, it include line sparkline. So just click on that. There is a pop-up menu will appear. It will ask you choose the data you want, data range. So my data range is all this month from April to August. So I will select this all database, and my location range is which is my I have already selected that cell number I4 to I6. I just click OK and my sparkline are ready. So I will able to know that my domestic sale first going down then going up and now it's going down. If I just change this figure to 80, then it is showing me the figure. So it's very easy to understand by the line instead of going by the figure. So these are the small chart which are linked with your this data, and also you can just click on that and there's a one design option of sparkline will open, which there's many formatting option, like you can have this high point, low point, which is when it is the highest and the lowest, and also the marker you can have for each one up to you, and there are other option of that, and the line color which you want to give to your sparkline, and also the color for the negative or marker. If I want this to be in the blue color, it will change to the blue color. Also there's three option, like how you want this report to be, the line option, in the column option. If you go by this, then this is also a good option that you have this in that way. You're able to know how your figures are going. Also in that case, win and loss. So by this way, you can make your data MIS more attractive and useful for your end user. Thanks for watching this video.